Hello my loves, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making chocolate cake and the ingredients are so when I say cup, this is the cup that we'll be using for measuring everything. Okay? Okay. In our cup, we are going to measure 3 cups of all-purpose flour or flour. Then we are going to sieve it. Tunaenda kuichunga. Okay? Just like this. We are now going to add in 1 cup of corn flour or corn flour. This is totally optional, by the way. You can choose not to and instead add an extra cup of all-purpose flour or flour. Okay? Okay. After adding the corn flour, of course, we are going to mix it together with the all-purpose flour so that there can be consistency. And remember, you can also sieve your corn flour if you like. We sieved ours. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to add in our 1.5 cup of sugar. After we add that in, we are going to mix it together with the flour or flour. Then I'm going to show you the next process, which will be adding 1 cup of cocoa. That is the original cocoa if you're Kenyan. So next, we are going to use these 2 sachets of Mark coffee to make 1 cup of coffee. Remember, we are using the same measuring cup. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then we're also going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So now we're going to mix everything together, all the dry ingredients together, before moving on to the wet ingredients. On to the wet ingredients, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of milk. Then I'm also going to pour in 1 cup of coffee, just like that. Now we are going to add in 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence. We're now going to add in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And then add in our 3 eggs. We are literally going to beat them in. Okay? Okay. We are now going to add in our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. We are going to whisk as we add, whisk as we add. Okay? Okay. We are now going to add in our desiccated coconut. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Just for the flavor. It's totally optional, by the way. Just add until your ancestors tell you it's enough, my child, it's enough. So we're just randomly adding it in there, just like that. Now our cake is ready to be baked. What we did is we oiled our sufuria or our baking pan with margarine. You can do it with butter too. Then we poured in all-purpose flour or flour all around it, okay, just like that. So we're going to cook it under 180 degrees for 30 minutes. You can come back and check it at 25 minutes. And as usual, when it comes to cake, we're going to use the normal test where we insert a knife. If it comes out clean, then it means it's done. You can also use a toothpick, insert it. When it comes out clean, it means the cake is done. Okay? I know you're wondering, I saw dark chocolate in the ingredients. Where are we going to use that? We're going to use that to decorate the cake. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the dark chocolate in a bowl, going to put it inside hot water and let it melt. Then we're going to take half cup of sugar, going to blend that half cup of sugar until we get granulated sugar, right? And then we're going to add in Blue Band, butter, margarine, whatever you want. Add everything together, mix, and then we're going to apply that on top of our cake and in the middle of our cake. Okay, now look at that cake. Look at how delicious it looks. Now what we're going to do, we are going to divide it into two from the bottom like that. Apply our chocolate in the middle like that, and then apply our chocolate on top. I'm just going to show you the final results. This is how the cake looks after cutting a slice. This cake was delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.